If you want to master Corona Renderer and create professional quality projects for architecture, product visualization, and marketplace production, this course is built for you. This is not just another technical tutorial where you memorize settings and buttons. The goal of this course is to teach you real production workflows, the same techniques used in actual professional projects. Based on more than 10 years of hands-on experience with Corona, during these 9 intensive days, you'll learn how to create cinematic renders, realistic materials, professional lighting setups, and production-ready scenes that can be used for client work or sold online. Throughout the course, we won't just focus on theory. Every day is built around real projects and practical workflows, so you can clearly understand how professional scenes are created from start to finish using Corona Renderer and modern AI-assisted workflows. Day 1 begins with the core foundations of Corona. You'll learn the essential concepts, workflow basics, camera composition, scene setup, and useful plugins and scripts that can dramatically improve her speed and workflow. On day 2, we jump into creating a full nighttime interior scene. You'll learn how to build realistic night lighting, work with render effects, and understand the settings that give your renders atmosphere, realism, and cinematic quality. Day 3 focuses on AI-powered workflows. We'll work on a scene generated with AI modeling tools, then move into scene arrangement, material creation, and enhancing renders using modern AI technologies. On day 4, we move into exterior visualization. You'll learn different outdoor lighting scenarios, exterior material workflows, post-production techniques, and how to enhance exterior renders professionally. Day 5 is completely dedicated to materials, from metals to concrete, bricks and glass, to displacement workflows and advanced surface behaviors. You'll learn how professional materials are built from scratch. On day 6, we begin a full interior kitchen project and dive deeper into interior rendering techniques. You'll also work on a fabric chair project where different fabric and leather materials are created and studied in detail. Day 7 is all about professional studio lighting for industrial and product rendering. You'll learn how to create clean, high-end studio lighting setups that give products a premium and commercial look. On day 8, we create a complete interior scene from scratch. You'll build advanced materials, place multiple cinematic cameras inside the environment, and learn how to capture professional renders from different angles. And finally, on day 9, we focus on large-scale environment and production workflows. You'll learn environment composition, vegetation placement, scene organization, and most importantly, how to prepare and present your projects for selling on marketplaces. This course is designed for artists who want to move beyond beginner tutorials and enter a professional production pipeline using Corona Renderer, whether for freelancing, studio work, content creation, or selling digital products online.